Yeah. Yeah, for the microphone. Yeah, I will.
As I look at you, honey, it looks like it's your nose.
Well, because of that, I can't, it's not really in my vision. You know what I mean?
Well, I'm saying I want to get you a black one so it doesn't look like you're a clown with the red on.
Thanks, babe.
You don't look like a clown, but you know what I mean.
Yeah, I know what you mean. I know what you mean. I look like a clown. I get it. All right, enough clowning around. Let's get out of here. I love you too, babe. All right, enough clowning around. All right, I adjusted the camera angle a little bit. I want it to be in a spot where I can see a little bit more of the bike. Well, if this footage isn't too shaky, then I think I'm gonna stick with this setup. I made my own helmet mount and I can take it on and off, so this will be cool. This will be neat. Oh yeah, we blowing through red lights, baby. So I kind of want to get in a spot where if I look down at the dash to like change a riding mode or something, I want you guys to be able to see that as well. It looks beautiful out, but let me tell you what, it's very cold. It's only like low 40s. It looks way better than it feels. Oh yeah, we're going. Woo! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Dude, I literally left them in the dust. That was nuts. Alright, we're taking a shortcut. Shortcut, what the hell am I talking about? If anything, this is a scenic route. This ain't no shortcut. You knew what I meant though. Oh yeah. Oh, look out, Goose. Coming through. Nobody coming. All right. Wow. Okay. This thing has got some serious pull. It's only got 95 horsepower. But it only weighs like 440 pounds. Woo! Alright. Okay, that's enough. Let's take it easy. Wow, okay. I mean, even the power it has in 6th gear is just amazing. It's very smooth, but it's very powerful. Okay then. Alright, let's see what we got. Nobody coming.